Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a very quick Tuesday morning haul. I just want to show you just in case you are interested in these products. So I got this from Jen Hadfield for $2.99. I got it because of the enjoy the little things sentiment. I thought this is super cute, and this is from the Patio Party collection. I will probably be using the Patio Party collection for my May No Paper Left Behind challenge. So that's that. And then this one I thought is an amazing deal. The original price is $15, but this one I got for $3.99. And this one has this tag, and then you can put things right here because it's a pocket, some more pockets right here. And the paper is quite thick. I think this is for multimedia. So I'm gonna probably use this as a traveler's notebook or a present. This one has this has a container, so you can put maybe pencils and then some envelopes right here. So this is $3.99. I suggest if this is your thing, look for it on the bottom shelves. This is where I got it. Next one, I found the Spring Farmhouse collection, but it was a partial, some of the pages were not there, so I can't really do much of a flip through. But if I would suggest you look for this. This is an awesome collection. I just don't want to buy it full price. And this one, but they gave me 25% off on this one. This one is a I Am Simple Stories. I have this collection already, but I love the colors of this collection. This is nothing new. This is, what year was this made? 2018. So beautiful, beautiful, non-seasonal papers. This is if you're ready to document about yourself, about your journey, about your thoughts. As moms, as women, we tend to document a lot about the other people, the loves in our lives, but we barely document about ourselves in our journey. So this is why I bought this, because I wanted to document about me. So that's why I have that. And this one is a very old thing from last year. This was released in 2019, I think. And this is the Sunny Days from Maggie Holmes. I don't think I should do a flip through because everybody saw this already. But these are the papers inside. And I'm thinking of doing a traveler's notebook embellishment combo for this paper. I'm going to try to join my Maggie Holmes swaps, and this is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to try, I don't think I have any embellishments, so the challenge is I'm just going to use this, make my own embellishments, and just use this. So that's going to be a fun one. And guys, this is the reason why I made this video, is because I wanted to show you these Crafter Companions card kits. This one is just a creative devotion scripture paper is what it's called, but it's pretty much vellum. So it's $2.99 for 100 sheets of vellum, and I thought that was a good deal. So you can see it's very thin vellum, and I thought I could add it as a texture to my embellishments, like mason jars and everything. So anyway, this is the finale of this haul, Tuesday morning haul. So this one is normally in the top part, the upper part, so just try to look there. Mine, if you are close to Roseville, the Roseville one is on top, and they have maybe 5 more boxes of both. So this is a shaker card craft kit from Crafter's Companion. The original price is $30 and I got it for $13. So this is a shaker card, and this is a character, I think. So we're gonna go through what it has. I think it's super worth it. Just imagine, it has, this shaker card has 225 elements to it for $12.99. So when you open it, this is what you see. And then it says, thank you for your purchase. And when you open it up, it's pretty awesome if you consider like looking at what you have in the kit. So the first one, let's talk about the stamp. So this stamp has a lot of, hey, let me take this off. This one has a lot of, you know, generic sentiments for occasions, like happy birthday, hello, just for you, let's celebrate, hope your day is as special as you, thinking of you, miss you, special friend, thank you, happy birthday on your special day, have a wonderful day, and wishing you a happy birthday. So it has a lot of sentiments. And then it also has these tiny, let me remove it so you don't see so you don't see the warning on the plastic. So this one has these, I don't think I chose the right paper for this. Let me get a better backer. This one's better. So you can see there's a lot of images. It's very small images, but they're still very cute. If you're starting your collection, it's still very cute. Has a lot. This is, I would probably give this away. It's not my cup of tea, but it has a lot of things that I can use. This one is the foam tape that you're going to use for your shaker. So this is probably 1/2 inch thick and 1/8 thickness. And look at this, guys. This pack for $12.99 has 4 sequin bags. So one is iridescent white, one is blue, one is fuchsia, and one is yellow. So all this you get from the kit. And then this is the reason why I got it. I looked into it and I thought this is going to be worth it. Even if I don't use the stamp, which is, I'm just going to give it away to a crafty friend, but just these, because these are, as you can see, it cuts it. This is for your shaker. It cuts it and then it leaves a stitch line. So I thought that was worth it. I'm going to try it out later and see. But that's, you get the metal dies. And then you get some pearls. You get some generic ribbon. But you get envelopes. This is enough to make, I think, 24 envelopes of different sizes. So you get like a, maybe a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and then maybe this probably would be a 4 1/2 because you have this. So there's a lot. So you get card kit, and then you also get the acetate sheets. So this is really cool. So you get everything to make these cards. This is another thing that I would probably give away. I don't know, to my daughter or, but this has these papers. Let me see the colors. So you get peach, you get this orangey thing, blue, jeans, very bright pink, very bright yellow, and it probably coordinates with the paper that's inside. But again, this is for $12.99. You get all this. And I thought just the die itself with the sequins and the foam tape, I would pay $12.99 for it. And I don't have to keep the rest of it. I'll just put it in a rack somewhere. So these are okay prints if you like bright colors. I would probably keep some of them like this. I like gingham. Hearts. Or I can use it when some of my non-crafty friends come over and they want to make generic cards, you know, so maybe we'll see. But that's that. You get all these papers. I know these are 24 and 24 sheets and 24 acetates, 24 24 card bases and envelopes and all of this. So I thought that was a great deal for $12.99. I am very excited to use that, the metal die. So that's the shaker card if it's something that you're interested in. It's 2241025. So that's the code. And then, so these are the ideas that, you know, you can make. It's very cute, actually. Right? Simple coloring. Very cute. Very simple. And then this next one is, I think it's called a character stamp and die set. So the good thing about this, you can make these cards. Right? It has 230 pieces. And you can make 24 cards with mixed sizes. And there's another variety right here in the back, the pig. So it gives you a die. So it says you get 4 dies and 25 pieces of the acrylic stamps. So let's see. Let's open it together. I thought it was cute. So you get these pearls. You get pastel ribbon. And then you get these dies, the metal dies. It says thank you with love. And then the metal die for these characters. So you get a pig. Get a pig, and in the back of the pig, you get the squirrel. So the shape is the same. You get the squirrel in the back of the squirrel. And then you get sentiments. It says, from all of us, for being you, for the gift, just to say, for everything that you do. So our sentiments are thank you and with love. Then this one is a dog and a cat. And then the back of the cat, and the back of the dog. And then it says, cute, from me to you, on your special day, on your birthday. You're so sweet. Happy birthday. Hello from the bottom of my heart. So I thought it was a good deal. And then another set of 24 cards and envelopes in different sizes. And then you get plain paper, which is probably going to coordinate. It's probably going to be these colors. So you get pink, light pink, mint, purple, and yellow. So it really coordinates with these papers. Let's check out these printed papers together. Even if I don't use these printed papers, I'm sure I can use the die cuts. So feathers, let's see, some stars, some shapes, pink. This one definitely I will not use. Definitely I will not use. Here's another color I will not use. And here's another one. Okay. So yes, that's what it has. But I thought that just getting these card bases and the stamp with the matching dies would be cute, and you can color it whatever you like. Is worth it. So I'll take a look and see. But if this is something that you're interested in, it is a great deal. It is a great deal, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that haul video. I know it is available in my Tuesday morning. They have at least 5 that I saw in the topmost layer of the shelf. So I hope that helps you. Take care. Have a wonderful weekend. Have a wonderful crafty day. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you can consider subscribing. Bye.